I want to show you how you can include a payment button or link into your website. Here we go. Now when you go to your website manager like this, or let me just say, is a payment button you want to include, you need a Flutterwave account or page tag. But I'm going to use Flutterwave in this tutorial. So go to your Flutterwave. After you have registered and provided your details, now you come to, make sure you switch this thing to live. It is already live like this. You can see it here. Now go to payment links. Create a link. Is it a single one or subscription? If it is donation, you can see it there. So we have it. We have it there. This place, we have it already. But I'm going for this. Now, what's the payment link? Let me just call it this. How much? 1,000 naira. Then you put the description here. Comes here. In case you want to collect more fields, from more options from people, you can set your customized link. You can see it here. And after the payment, do you want to redirect people to another place? If you want, you can put that here. Then if you want more details from your clients, from your users, so you can add more like this. Let me put. So in this place, let us put maybe your branch, anything, address, any other, in case you want to add more, you click. So let me click on generate. Good. Copy the link. Come to your website manager. Go straight to menus. Click on plus. Now what will be the menu? Let me call it donate now. The link. Make it visible. How do you want to add it? Is it as drop down or inline? Let me go for, we have as drop down or inline. Let me go for inline. Save. You can add, you can see I've added one, so you can add many. So let's go to our website. Open website. Come to the menu. So you can see what I just added. So donate now. Let me click it. Now it takes me to the payment page. The description I had at that time, this is it. Then your name. You remember that branch and address. This, and this, they are by default they'll be added. But the one I added, branch and the address, you can see. So I can add it here, So after that, this is the amount I put, then you pay. You can see from your website, I click on the link, it takes me to this place. Now, what if from your website here you want to add? Let me close it. You want to add the payment here, that pay now. So this is how you can go about it. Come straight to on this website manager. You don't need to add it to menu. Just go straight to settings. Scroll down. You will see button or slider photo. Donate now. Then put the link here. Save. Then come to your website. Let us refresh. You can see donate now. Let me tap it. It takes me to this place. So that's a simple way to include button or website or payment link into your website. Thanks for watching.